He bought an antique mirror from a garage sale. The glass was slightly cracked, almost like it was hiding a secret. That night, when he looked into it, he saw himself, but wearing tomorrow's clothes. And then things got even stranger. David loved collecting antiques. One Saturday, he found a beautiful mirror at a garage sale. The old woman selling it looked worried. "Are you sure you want this?" she asked softly. David smiled and paid $5. At home, he hung the mirror in his bedroom. That night, he looked at his reflection. Something felt wrong. In the mirror, he was wearing a blue shirt, but in real life, he was wearing a white shirt. He blinked, confused. Maybe he was tired. The next morning, he forgot about the mirror. He got dressed and chose a random shirt, a blue one. The same blue shirt from the mirror. David felt nervous. That evening, he looked again. This time, his reflection had a bandage on his hand. David's real hand was fine. But the next day at work, he accidentally cut his hand while opening a box. The nurse put a bandage on it, the same bandage he saw. But when he looked again, his reflection was quietly weeping, as if tomorrow held something he wasn't ready to face. David wasn't crying. Why would he cry tomorrow? Fear filled his chest. That night, he covered the mirror with a blanket. He decided not to look again. Some parts of the future are better left unknown. Let's learn today's key words. Antique, something old and valuable. Example, my grandmother has an antique clock. Reflection, the image you see in a mirror. Example, he smiled at his reflection. Predicted, to say what you think will happen. Example, she predicted it would rain. Write these words in your notebook. Now a quick quiz. What did the mirror show David? A, the past. B, tomorrow. C, the next day's events. Write your answer in the comments. Bonus question. Would you want a mirror that shows the future? Tell me why. Thanks for watching today's Mystery English story. If you want more easy English stories for listening and learning, subscribe and turn on the bell. Tell me in the comments. What story should I make next? Mystery, adventure, or emotional story?